Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make a chai spice blend. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also do me a favor and go down and check out that description box below. Not only will you find the recipe for this video, but you will also find a ton of groovy links. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make a chai spice blend. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of ground cardamom, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a half a teaspoon of ground cloves, and a 1/4 teaspoon of some fennel seeds. Let's mix it up. Alright, make sure you got yourself a bowl big enough for all the ingredients. This is about 6.5 tablespoons here. So let's go ahead and add our cinnamon, our cardamom. I just love the smell of this. This is just a very exotic seasoning. And we'll add our ginger in here. We got the nutmeg, the pepper, cloves, and then I made a mistake. In the description box you will see in the recipe it's going to be ground fennel, but we can go ahead and add that for the flavor. And if you want to, if you don't have any ground fennel, go ahead, mix it in, and then you can use a coffee grinder or something to grind it all up. But you just basically want to break up those seeds to impart the flavor and the fragrance into this. But no harm, no foul. We'll go ahead and mix this up. That's what it looks like. We're going to take some awesome photos, lay them in the timeline with some really groovy music. We're going to come back and we're going to talk more about this. Don't go anywhere. Alright, well that was a pretty cool photo shoot. This is a very exotic seasoning blend. It's kind of hard to capture the right essence for this for a photo shoot, so I did the best I could with tea. There are a ton of different ways we can use this chai seasoning, which I'll get into in just a minute. But a story for me is that when I quit smoking about 12 years ago, I was associating the coffee that I drank with cigarettes. So I drank chai lattes for probably about 2 months to kind of get off the cigarettes. And I'm back on black coffee again, of course, but this really did help me just to kind of disassociate the coffee and the cigarette combination. They're really good too. I mean, you might, oh, it's a sissy drink or whatever, but I don't really care. This worked really well for me. They are kind of expensive when you go to like a place and get the lattes and things like that, but you got to do what you got to do. But this was very good. Here's some other things that you can use it for. Ton of things on the internet to look up. I mean, it's like pumpkin pie spice. It's got a million things to do. Yogurt, marinade for chicken or pork, smoothies, add to your cookie recipe, roasted sweet potatoes, pancakes or waffle batter, oatmeal, muffins, banana bread, scones, hot chocolate, whatever you want to do. This is a very good seasoning blend. Try it out, experiment with it. I mean, it's really, really good. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlist I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.